Hi, I'm Veronica Perez from Cornucopia Foods, and I'm here to show you how to make key lime juice using a juicer. The ingredients you will need are fresh key limes, and the first thing you'll want to do is cut them into small pieces so that they can fit in the chute of your juicer. Now you can use a regular citrus juicer, but since they're small, today we're going to use a fruit and vegetable juicer so that we can get more juice out of them. Now remember, juicers can be loud sometimes, so you want to be considerate and not juice too early in the morning or too late at night. So let's start juicing. Now key limes are very tart, so you can use this as a base for a limeade or in your favorite key lime pie or any citrus dessert. I'm Veronica Perez for Cornucopia Foods, and that's how you make key lime juice in a juicer.